This video is to show you how to repair or replace the batteries in the Skil 1/4 inch cordless ratchet. You have 6 screws. They're torque 10s. I like to use a magnet to keep them all together. Now, to replace the batteries, you still have to get the collar off, which gives a lot of people a lot of trouble. This is how I do that. Hold it with some firm pliers. Get a pipe wrench with flat. Break it loose with a counterclockwise turn. Lift the gear head off. Next you have to remove this gray collar. Work it off. Next you have 2 T6 torque screws. Next, lay it with the screw side up and work the sides apart with a flat screwdriver. Leave it laying flat. You can use needle nose to undo the spade connectors. This wire here is a heat sensor for overheating. You pull it out of the way. And now you can remove the battery pack.
Let me see. Where your hand?
These batteries are 18655. Well, actually 18650. 18 millimeters wide, 65 millimeters long. 3.7 volt batteries. You can buy them in a pack or you can buy them separate and join them together. But that's how you do it.